these are similar enough colors that I won't be worried. But yeah, so the Garden of Life lady was speaking today doing our product education conference. And she's straight up British. And she was like, the salmon that we use to put in the protein powder is straight from Norway. They come from Norwegian fjords and straight from Norwegian glaciers. And I was, oh my god, my babe says that.
Yeah.
My babe. Oh, and then 511 guys came in again today and gave me more coupon cards, but I didn't.
Oh, we love 511.
Yeah. I told them you were really excited about coming, and I told them you would be really excited to go see what.
Yeah. Get some new accessories.
This one was the collar one.
Woo!
Not bad.
That came out this better than I thought it would.
Yeah,
I'll put it that
me
way.
Me too.
Better than I thought. Look
You
at
still
that.
think it's cool?
Oh yeah. Look at that neckline. That's
I
pretty
think that's
tight.
really cool.
That's pretty tight.
Maybe next time we should just do the white bottom.
Maybe?
I don't know. It's cool either way.
Either way, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it. I think it's neat.
Somebody wants us to do a macaw feather
I saw
pattern.
that.
Yeah, I told them we would try it. I told them I couldn't promise
try
how it would come out, but that we would try it. So, if you're the one that dropped that comment, look out for the macaw coming soon. Ooh, that was a close one there. Closest one yet. Okay. That might have been a little much, but it's all good. And here's the final result. Check that out, man. Wow. That came out really good, especially how it's got the pattern on the bottom like that. Didn't come out overbearing, still has a lot of white in it. The scrunch pattern on the bottom, and the neckline came out real good as well. So not bad for our first shot at this. We really didn't expect this to come out this good, so didn't expect it to come out this good. Alrighty folks, y'all all have a wonderful evening.